it's Denise here. Denise Sanger, no, howtostayfitover50.com. I also have denisesanger.com too. All right, very quick. I have not been on, and I want to tell you why that is. I've not been feeling good at all. And as you know, if you've been trying to get a doctor's appointment at all, it's not been an easy thing to do. And I tried for like 3-4 months to get a doctor's appointment, and I finally decided, I'm going to give up on trying to get a general doctor's appointment, and I'm going to go back to my gynecologist, which I did. So last week I went back to my gynecologist, threw it all on her, what was going on. I was feeling like crap. I could cry on a drop of a pin. And turn around, if you pissed me off, I was coming after you. Complete rage on the other hand, like up and down, up and down, up and down. And everything hurt. My shoulders hurt, my hips hurt, even my fingers hurt. And I'm going, there is something wrong. I don't know what's wrong. Well, talking to my doctor, and she's amazing. If you don't have an amazing gynecologist, make the effort to find one. Telling her, I told her everything. Blah, just let it all on her. So I am back on the BioT hormone pellets. And what I want to tell you, in 2 days, just 2 days, night and day from how I was feeling. I am now a week in to having the pellets back in my hip. It's on my left hip, and it was kind of painful when she put them in, but I'm a week now. Every day better and better, better and better and better. I don't have the night sweats issue, and if you've been with me any length of time, I was 53 when I got my hysterectomy, and I'm going to be 60 in September. So it's been 7 years since I had my hysterectomy, but it was almost like I was going through a second menopause. And I don't know if that's a thing, but I'm going to research it and I'm going to let you know. But it was horrible. I have to tell you, I felt crappy, so crappy. And the weight gain, you probably can see it. And everything was bloated. Oh, it was just terrible. It was terrible. So 1 week, down 2 pounds. Sleeping better, and hopefully they're going to do an intensive blood workup panel on me in 6 weeks, because she's going to check my thyroid and everything like that, but the hormones are already in, and I'm already starting to, like I said, night and day. So today's message for you: if you're feeling like crap, and you've had a hysterectomy, or you're going through menopause, make an appointment with your gynecologist. Get in there and talk to him or her. I prefer females. In my opinion, women understand women. But whoever you're comfortable with, the most important thing you do is to make sure that your doctor is listening to you. If they're brushing you off and saying, it's all in your head, or they just kind of gloss over whatever you're telling them, it's time for you to find another doctor. Secondly, don't doubt yourself, because if you're feeling not your normal self, there's probably something going on. And I was thinking to myself, because I went off the pellets 2 years ago, I was thinking to myself, it can't be anything to do with that. Something's got to be seriously wrong. I'm telling you, it's a weekend, but I felt much better in 2 days. So never, ever, ever doubt yourself, okay? Make the appointment. If you're not feeling well, make that appointment right now. Pick up the phone, make the appointment, because it's taking time to get that appointment made so that you can get in. Make the appointment, get it on your calendar. Nothing else is important as your health, okay? And now that I'm kind of back to myself, I'm going to keep you posted. Like I said, this has been going on for a couple months, and I apologize that I haven't been on there, but I tell it like it is. When I'm having problems, you're going to know about it. I was having problems, and right now I'm at my highest weight ever, excluding pregnancy. So I'm not really happy about that. And that is it right now. I hope you're having an amazing day. I will be back. I promise I will be back next week. So make sure you subscribe. I might go live actually, because a lot of people have a lot of questions. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you need me, you can find me at howtostayfitover50.com or email me, Denise at denisesanger@gmail.com. Or you'll also find me on Facebook, Healthy After 50 with Denise. Hope you're having an amazing day. Bye.